Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am sharing details about this HP LaserJet Pro printer and the model is MFP M28W. So now let's open this box and see what's inside. Here we have many papers inside, so I am taking out all the papers and there is one CD also here. Now let's see what all these are. Here we have the CD and this is the paper for installation. They gave instructions how to install this LaserJet Pro. So all the details are given in this paper. Just follow the instructions and assemble. Then we have a reference guide. So in this reference guide they gave the website information to download the software for your printer model and operating system. Now here you can see I am unboxing this. This is very light and very small also, unlike the normal printers, and it is very securely packed also. We got this printer after searching in many websites and we like this because it has many features like it prints out without a router using Wi-Fi direct and it's wireless also, and moreover it can print, scan and copy and easy ID copy also. So it has many features and it is affordable also. And this is a black and white laser printer. Previously we used to have a color printer with the cartridge and the cartridge is very costly to fill, so finally we got this one. Now remove all the red tapes that are attached here. You can see there are many red tapes. And now this is where we load the paper and these are the instructions to how to load the paper. So everything is clearly written and we can follow the instructions. Now carefully raise the top part of this printer and here you can see there are many red tapes here also. So we need to remove all these red tapes. And there is this styrofoam, so remove the styrofoam also carefully. After removing the styrofoam, then there is a toner inside, so we should not touch on this blue part, just touch on the black part and remove all these tapes. You can see on either side of this toner there are these tapes. Carefully remove them. And one more is here, so just pull that the entire string. Here you can see there is a very lengthy tape on the toner and this is that ink part, so just remove that. Now this is all set and it goes back inside, so place it carefully. And just make sure to be very careful with the toner because this is what it prints. So it is placed. Now close this top part of the printer. Here comes one more red tape. Remove this red tape also, and this is where the printed paper comes out of the printer. Specialty of this model is it is wireless and it print, scan and copy also, so all three can be done in a single device. Now here we have this cord that goes behind the printer, so just take this side and here you can see behind the printer there is a plug and need to connect it there and then take the copy paper. Now here we have this adjustments to set according to the dimensions of the paper, so adjust and then set the copy paper. Now this is the power button. Once you plug in and on the power button, then it's ready to print now. Here we also have this website information for wireless printing and the QR code. So friends, this is all about HP's smallest, most affordable LaserJet Pro, and if anybody wants to buy, I'm leaving a link in the description box. You may follow the link to get good deals. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay tuned for more interesting videos. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video.